Hello guys and welcome back to another tech update with me, Wayne. Now, I don't know about you, but notifications on social media apps and platforms can be a right distraction. Click on them and before you know it, you end up down another social media rabbit hole. Yes, notifications alert us to new emails and messages, but they are also one of the key drivers for sucking us back into a particular platform or app to consume more content, which might not be the best idea, especially late at night when we are meant to be sleeping. Now, taking time out from social media is a good idea because it can allow us to be fully present in the moment and focus on our day-to-day lives with limited distractions. I can reconnect with myself, the people around me, and our wonderful physical world. One popular app, Instagram, has developed a new feature called Quiet Mode, and according to Meta, it's to help people focus and to encourage people to set boundaries with their friends and their followers. Now, when you turn on quiet mode on Instagram, notifications will be paused, your profile's activity status will be changed to quiet mode, and any DMs you receive will get an auto reply. Now, I'm a big believer of setting boundaries around the use of the time we spend on social media apps and technology, and I wanted to create this short video for you today to show you how to set up quiet mode on Instagram. So let's jump right in and take a look. Okay guys, so turning on quiet mode on your Instagram account is pretty straightforward. You're going to be able to follow along on screen today. The first thing you're going to want to do is pop out your phone, go into your Instagram account and tap on your profile. From here, you're going to go right to the top and you are going to tap on the little hamburger menu. Then you're going to tap on settings and privacy. Next, you're going to tap on notifications. And finally, you're going to tap on quiet mode. Now from here, you have a couple of options. You can simply just turn on your quiet mode, you can activate it, and then you can fine tune it to come on automatically at a certain time every night. 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, for example, and then it can deactivate again at a certain time every morning, 7 o'clock, 7:30. And what this does is it mutes all notifications from Instagram, and it shows on your account that you are actually in quiet mode. Now, anybody who does send you a DM, they will get an auto response letting them know that your account is in quiet mode. So this is a great way to get a good night's sleep, to not get woken up by any of those Instagram notifications, particularly if you're bringing your phone into your bedroom at night. So this is a great way to set boundaries around the use of Instagram and indeed technology. So let's go right ahead and pop this on. You can see now that my quiet mode is activated and it will turn on every night automatically at 11 o'clock and it will disconnect or deactivate at 7 a.m. in the morning. So there you have it, folks, a quick look at how you set up the Instagram quiet mode. I hope you found this video today useful and helpful. As always, if there's something you would like me to cover in an upcoming tech update, please do reach out and get in touch.